So hey guys, good morning. So some time ago I came back from tuition and then I went to the salon shops for cutting hairs. So just to came back from there and just had meal. Just had bath. So now I'm going to take breakfast and after that, after taking some rest, I will do study. So yesterday night I did just study for only half and 1 hour. So that pending lecture I want to complete because tomorrow I want to go to the college. So since 1 month college has started, but I did not went. So okay, now also guys, I want to complete my task. So I did not upload my video. So now I'm going to upload my video. So okay, so now let's go. So guys, I just had breakfast. So now I'm going to take some rest, and after that I'll do study. So I'm very sleepy, so that's because I was sleep at 1:45 something. So that's why, and I wake up early in the morning. So okay, so now I'm going to take a nap, and after that I'll do study. So uh, today I want to complete two overall task and as well as a study. So one lecture overall one lecture has pending, so I want to complete that because tomorrow there will be no time for that lecture because I will be go to the college. So that's why. So okay guys, so now let's go and complete my all the tasks and all the study. So okay, so now I'm taking some naps. Let's go. So guys, some time ago I wake up and I told that I'll take a nap and after that I'll do study. But it's totally I did not do study and guys, now it's 8:30. So whole day I waste. So okay, so today also I did not make any vlog so properly. So I want to complete this vlogs because I want to do study. Otherwise, now I am watching match. So that's I was busy in that. So okay, so whatever it is. So guys, first of all, I am going to do meditation, and after that I have tasks so that I want to complete like. My vocabulary and meditation and so many tasks are there where I want to complete. So today was Sunday, so that's why I want to complete my revision. But I when I wake up and in the morning, after that I went to the tuition, and there were so many time has um, took. So and after that I went to the salon, and when I came back from there, I had bath, and at that time uh, that time was something one, and after that I thought like I'll take a nap, and after that I'll do study. But while resting I was stuck in mobile, and after a long time I can say after 1 month I used Instagram for 1.5 hour 2 hours I think, more than 2 hours I've used on Instagram, and that's why I was stuck there. And after that I was watching one day match, so that's why I did not do study, and my mind again and again says that do study, but I did not hear my inner voice, and that's why I was lost my today. So okay, so I'm feeling so much demotivated, but what could I do now? So okay, so whatever it is, so now I'm going to do meditation, and after that what should I do? I will do. And also I want to complete my teaching work. So every day I want to do complete this. So okay, let's go and complete this my meditation first, and then after that I will complete my blog. And also guys, I did not upload any blog for since 2 days. Just I make blog and I did not. So okay, so let's go. So guys, I have completed my meditation. So now I'm going to do my vocabulary. So daily two words I'll learn. So I'll not learn more words because I want to do consistent in my uh, daily work. So okay, I do consistent every day I made vlog for 5 minutes, and every day make every day I'm completing my meditation for 10 minutes. So 2 words is enough for every day. And okay, so I have no idea what should I speak now, so that's why I'm going to do my work. So okay, and after that if possible I'll do study, otherwise I'll sleep. And from today or from tomorrow I sleep early because my sleep is not complete, so that's why I want to complete my sleep every day. And if I complete my sleep there, then my mind will work toward my studies. So okay, so now I'm going to do my vocabulary. So let's go. So guys, my mind is diverting for watching maths, but I want to control my mind. If today I control my mind, so from tomorrow I can do my everything, and from today I'll need to schedule. So what to in what time what to I have to complete my work. So okay, so guys, also from tomorrow I lost my I can say that I lost my 6 or 7 months in just wasting of my time. So sometimes I do my work properly and my, study properly, but sometimes I am distracted from my goals. So okay, so now I'll be motivated for every all the time. So okay, so now I'll not watch match. If I clear my all the tasks and clear my studies, then I'll go for it. So okay, now I'm doing my work. So let's go. So guys, as like I planned, it's not to succeed. So again, I thought like I'll control my mind to not watch match, but I could not. So okay, so now I'll continue that. I'm very disappointed for that. Like I can't control my mind. So some time ago I decided to change my room setup. So some of little bit setup I have changed. So that's why after that when I pick my mobile at that time I check my check score and just I stuck in mobile. So okay, so I think I have already I have completed all the tasks, and some all these things I have completed. Just I want to upload video, so I'll do by tomorrow. So okay, so now I'm ending this vlog here. So that's it for today's vlog. We will meet another one. Bye bye.